SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to rename iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Your iPhone 15 has a name setting that's applied to a number of different situations. This could be things like your personal hotspot, your Bluetooth devices, AirDrop, and also the way that your iPhone is identified on networks. If you don't like the name that's currently applied to your iPhone and you would like to switch it to something else, then you can do so by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the General option. Then you can choose About at the top of this menu. And then you can tap on the Name option that's currently displaying the name for the phone right now. Now you can tap the X to the right of this to delete the current name. And then you can enter in the new name that you would like to use. And once that name is entered, then you can tap the Done button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then the device name will be updated to the name that you just entered.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.